So next they're given is they're asking to the create a variable name is in R2 that contains of the sixth. The element is here is the like X. So now here before it is asking 3. Now it is like it is asking of the sixth of. So see like R is equal to X of 6. And I have to type R2. So when you type, then you see here it is showing that related things. Sorry, I did mistake. Yeah. So see, when I'm typing is X is if you want to double or maybe if you want to read like XML read command, it will come. When you type something on your desktop, it will show if you want to read that particular document, that is a read variable. It is if you want to write something, yeah, XML is hard to write. You can write the document. Maybe that is an objective. Maybe that is maybe document. So it is a document it is showing. But as of now, I want to just entering this sixth of this element. Just I want to assign for R2. Now I'm going to submit whether I'll see whether it is correct or not. Yeah, R2 is equal to 10. It is answer is correct. So now the thought task they're giving the colon, the colon of the operator you can refer is the range of value. The following syntax is the first and second, third element. Z is equal to like 1:3. So here then I want to assign some R3 is equal to X of 1, 3. And now there is asking that there is a like there is given like a task you can is a combine of that indexing these assignments of operator to modify the value of vector element. So I want to modify basically in that X of row is equal to Z. So I want to modify this particular area of this variable. So this is a way like you how to type. They're given the task and you how to type. Then basically this is a like how to enter that commands and how to change the place variable place. You can do that here. So now this is a like is in task 2. Then we are taking that indexing of this vector like variables and keywords. Is there any question? I think everybody understand. If there's any question, yeah, you can put on the chat box so that I can reply on the chat box. Just I'm going to into that is a 5.3 chapter. Why? Because here is accessing the multiple elements. How to accessing these multiple elements. So for example, in previously we can take that one variable we can access and we can change that particular area of that array. We can change the value, but here is accessing that multiple vectors. Oh, sorry, it's 20 before only. After each and every chapter completion, there is a quiz is there, so that maybe what are the values you enter is correct or wrong. You have to check for yourself only. So here is basically, as I told you, here I'm taking the some data I'm going to load. So in same case, like I'm coming to that my MATLAB. So for example, I have the some data, maybe that is in format of that Excel. So today I'm taking the some electricity data is there that I have the predefined electricity data is there. So if you have the data, you can take the data from here.